Okay, so now we're going to do the cross hatching part of the lab. All right, we have our 15 blade. All right, we're holding it like a pencil. All right, we got it on the gripped part. We have it firmly grasped. The back of the scalpel is comfortably in the web space. Should be very stable. Okay, all right, and what we're going to try and do is make a couple of hatch marks in here using the curved part of the blade. All right, and not try to go too deep. Okay, so I'm going to get over here. Forearms rested comfortably on the glass table. Okay, and we're going to hatch down. Okay, and we're going to check to see if that slice was deep. There seems to be a slice in the middle of my ham hock that was done by the butcher. That's not my slice, just in case we see that. So when we make that slice there, we don't see a whole lot of separation, so I probably didn't go deep enough. So if we start again, we'll make one more cut. And we see no white tissue. Alright, looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to try one more cut here. And once again, that looks pretty good. There's no signs of any white tissue in there. I'm going to make 2 or 3 more cuts on this side just to make sure that that's looking right. And as we cut, that's a better cut. We got a little bit deeper of a cut, and we didn't go too deep. So keeping the blade rounded is really the challenge. Good. Alright, so make one more cut. So if you come over here and you look at these 3 cuts, and get those cuts good, we see no white tissue, and we see down to just pink tissue, which is really good. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cross hatch it. And if we look at that, we've cross-hatched it pretty good with no signs of any necrotic tissue, no signs of any viable tissue. Everything looks still nice and pink down at the bottom of it. So that looks pretty good. Did get a couple of cuts a little bit deep, so I'm going to demonstrate 2 or 3 more cuts. Not deep, I thought I got the tip of the scalpel in there, so I'm going to demonstrate a few more cuts. Try to be a little more shallow with the blade. I think that's better. Still getting a little bit of the tip in there a bit. That's better. Not dropping the tip there, and also demonstrating once again a very good cut. Nothing seems to be going in too deep. So I think that's pretty good for the cross hatching.